with a tagline like, helping women get lighter, sexier and happier. There's no confusion as to what YogaBurn was designed for. This program specifically targets women who are looking to lose weight, tighten and tone their bodies, all while building up their self-esteem through positivity and the formation of healthy habits. Your instructor Zoe Bray-Cotton will guide you through the workouts, each designed to have the greatest fat burning and body sculpting results in the shortest period of time. YogaBurn utilizes a technique called dynamic sequencing. First you're taught the basic movements, then, just as your body begins to get comfortable, the sequence is adapted to increase the intensity. This approach keeps your body guessing, forcing it to address new challenges and not leaving any room for you to get lazy. When it comes to women and fitness, our bodies have unique needs that undergo significant changes throughout our lifetimes. Pregnancy, fluctuations in hormones and menopause all increase the tendency to gain weight, and a corresponding difficulty dropping those pounds. Between work, raising a family and the variety of other tasks life throws our way, it often feels impossible to find the time to address our own needs. However, the value of self-care is immeasurable, and your health and happiness is paramount to your ability to take care of those you love and be successful in life. As a single mother, yoga not only allowed me to get back into a size 6 following my pregnancy, but setting aside that little bit of me time each week proved to be critical for developing a sense of calm and serenity in an otherwise hectic life. YogaBurn actually has a lot to offer even the experienced yogi, as it differs significantly from a traditional yoga practice. The pace, particularly in phase 3, is much quicker, as the intention is to keep your heart rate up throughout the entire duration of the class. Likewise, the use of a lot more dynamic movements, rather than statically holding postures, makes the workouts much more cardio-intensive. That said, this program is also well constructed for someone completely new to the world of yoga or fitness in general. You're not going to see any of those typical, advanced poses, such as headstand or arm balances, instead concentrating on simpler, foundational postures. Finally, there is very little focus on the relaxation commonly associated with traditional yoga. Prepare to push yourself, sweat, and keep up the momentum for the entire 45-minute practice. If your main goal in choosing a fitness program is to lose weight and build lean muscle, then YogaBurn is a great option to consider. To learn more, click the link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share.